tutorial, we are going to see how to know if a particular process is running in the system or not. So the processes are present and we can see it in the task manager. We open task manager, the processes are mentioned over here. To see which is the executable for each corresponding process, we can right click and then go to details. Before that, we click on expand and then click on go to details. So it will take us to the details tab, and this is the name of the process, chrome.exe. This is for the Google Chrome. So in order to check what all processes are currently running, so all the processes which are currently shown in the task manager, we can get all these processes using UiPath Studio's get process activity in the form of a collection. So let's see how this can be done. So let's drag the get process activity. So once we drag this get process activity, this doesn't have any input criteria or parameter. Just we will get the list of all the, not the list, a collection of all the processes which are currently running in our system. So we have to create a collection of process objects, variable, and store the output. So if you don't know how to assign the data type for this, the easy way is we can do a control K in order to create a variable for us. UiPath Studio will automatically create a variable for us. So let's name it process collection and hit enter. Now if we go into the variables tab, here we can see a process collection variable has got created. So it looks something like that. This system collections object model collection system.diagnostics.process. So this is the variable type which got created. Now in order to iterate it through the different processes, we can then put a if condition and check whether the intended process is currently running or not. So for that, we can use a for each activity, and let's write all these processes first in the output pane. So for that, we can use log message activity and just print the item. So we have the log message. Now let's define which is the process collection. So here we will write the process collection object. So this for each will iterate through all the items in the process collection which is outputted from the get processes activity. It will iterate and print all the items present inside it. So let's execute. Now the execution is completed, and if we check the output pane, we see all the entire list of processes which has been captured from the system, and it's displayed. It is displayed as system.diagnostic.process and in bracket the name of the process. So in order to check if a particular process is running or not, we can use a if condition and then check the existence. For example, we can do if Chrome, like if this item contains the word Chrome, which is the name of the process, then it means that the Chrome process is running and the Chrome browser is open. So in this way, we can check for any of the process and do the respective activity like kill the process or do any other particular targeted activity. Hope this video was helpful to you. In order to see how start process activity and kill process activities are used, you can refer to the video which is currently being flashed. So stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Happy learning.